Hello student, today we are going to see CBSE class 11 physics. Okay, it's a exercise problem, book back problem. It's 9th chapter, 12th problem, the question from mechanical properties of the solid. Okay, this is a problem we are going to discuss. Okay, now we are going to see book back question for class 11 physics. Okay, from mechanical properties of the solid we are going to discuss. Okay, first we will see what is a given data. Okay, initial volume is given as a 100 liter. Okay, after we applied the external force, finally the volume is going to be 100.5 liter. Okay, the pressure is applied in the liquid is going to be 1000 atm. Okay, 1000 atmospheric pressure. They want what is the bulk modulus of the water. Okay, and also they want what is the bulk modulus ratio with respect to the air. Okay, first we will find for bulk modulus of the water. Okay, if you want bulk modulus of the water, usually bulk modulus or whatever Young's modulus or bulk modulus, stress by strain. Okay, bulk stress by bulk strain. Okay, here bulk stress, force per unit area. Strain is called change in volume by original volume. Okay, force per unit area you can take it as a pressure. So pressure divided by changing volume by original volume. Okay, now this we can call as a it is a bulk modulus of water. Now pressure is given 100 atm. 1 atm is how much? Okay, usually you should do the problem in MKS system. Okay, atm is not an MKS system, atmospheric pressure. Okay, so 100 into 1.013 into 10 power plus 7 pascals. Okay, this is going to be called as a SI unit. So pressure, I got the value of this much. Pressure is equal to 100 into 1.013 into 10 power plus 7. Okay, if you are multiplying this two, the two decimal we can move this side. 101.3 into 10 power plus 7 as a pressure. Okay, we can take it as a pascals. Okay, now the next one, volume. So original volume, initially volume we can take it as a original volume 100 liter. Okay, so changing volume, so already I told you 105, it's increasing 100.5 liters. Okay, minus 100 liter initial volume, that's going to be called as a 0.5 liters as the changing volume. Okay, here also we don't have SI unit, so actually we have to find the SI unit. Okay, if you want 1 liter is how much volume? No, 1 liter is 1000 ml. Okay, I'm going to convert liter to the volume. 1000 ml, 1 ml is called 1 centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter cube. Okay, 1 centimeter to meter, 10 power minus 2 meter. Okay, divided by 100. Okay, centimeter cube, no, you can cube this this formula. Okay, above formula. Okay, so 10 power minus 2 cube meter cube. Okay, 3 times you can write this, 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2. We'll get 10 power minus 6 meter cube is equal to centimeter cube. You can ask me one question, sir, why you are doing this and all? Because always the problem you should do in a MKS system. Okay, now I got the 1 liter is 1000, 10 power 1, 2, 3 plus 3 into centimeter to meter, no, 10 power minus 6 meter cube. So 1 liter, no, is equal to 10 power plus 3 minus 6 minus 3 meter cube. Okay, so I'm going to do the problem in a SI unit only. Okay, that's going to be meter cube only. I'm going to do problem. Okay, now we'll see what is the initial volume. Initial volume 100 liter. 1 liter is how much meter cube? 10 power minus 3 meter cube. 100 into 10 power minus 3 meter cube. What is change in volume? Change in volume, final volume minus initial volume. Okay, it's going to be 100 minus 100.5 minus 100, 0.5. It's going to be called as 0.5 liters. Okay, so 0.5 liter you can write as 10 power minus 3 meter cube. If you want to convert liter to the meter cube, you should include with the 10 power minus 3. It's a very simple formula. Okay, next what I'm going to do? No, just I'm going to find the bulk modulus of the water. Okay, what is the pressure? 100 atm. 100 into 1.013 into 10 power plus 7. Already I told you. Okay, what is the change in volume? It's 0.5 into 10 power minus 3, changing volume minus 3. What is the original volume? 100 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, if you want you can write here formula also, is equal to pressure divided by changing volume by original volume. This is what you can do the calculation. Okay, denominator directly will come into the numerator. So 100 into this, already 101.3 into 10 power plus 7. Okay, And denominator again, it's come numerator 100 into 10 power minus 3 will be there. Okay, so then we have 0.5 into 10 power minus 3. Minus 3 get cancelled. Okay, now instead of writing off 0.5, you can write 1 by 2. 0.5 you can call as a 1 by 2. Just 101.3 into 10 power plus 7. Okay, 100 you can write 10 power plus 2 also. Okay, 120 plus 2. This is going to be off. Okay, denominator directly will come into the numerator. 2 times of this, 2.3 into 10 power plus 9. We found the bulk modulus of the water. Okay, the bulk modulus unit Newton by meter square. Okay, now we it's going to be a pressure by stress by strain. Stress unit only, strain we don't have unit. Stress unit Newton by meter square. Okay, I got the bulk modulus of water. The next question, they asked you to compare with the bulk modulus of water and bulk modulus of air. Okay, so water I got 202.3 into 10 power plus 9. It is called bulk modulus of water. Bulk modulus of air 1 into 10 power plus 5. So this get cancelled now. 4 remaining will be there. So 202.3 sorry 6 will come here. 2 times no 6 will come. Okay, 6 will come. 0.6 into 10 power plus 4. Okay, I made one small mistake. Atmospheric pressure, actually it's going to be a 10 power plus 5 pascals. Okay, here 5 will come. Okay, that means the 2 decimal will be reduced here. 5 will come. Okay, 5. So 5 plus 2 will be have 7. Okay, so here will be 7 will be there. So 5 and 7 will get cancelled, means remaining 2 only remaining will be there. Okay, so the power will be 2. So now 2 decimal I moved this side. 2.026 into 10 power plus 2. It's a comparison of water versus air. Okay, small mistake. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe.